What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. So today I'm going to show you an incredibly easy way to make money online with simply copying and pasting using YouTube, using TikTok. It's quite easy. I think you're going to enjoy this one. So basically, you've all seen this relationship facts on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. You've seen this psychology facts, all of these stuff. So basically we're going to exploit this because this is a really small, well, I won't say small, it gets a lot of views, but there's not a lot of people that's actually doing it. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how you can make money off this. So for step one, I'm actually going to show you a YouTube channel here. This one is Creative Flows TikTok. So you can see I'm about to describe you. It's basically just, it's an entire channel full of shorts, YouTube shorts. There's sad facts, but we are going to stick to relationship facts. So I can show you here, this channel is worth $2,452. Okay, they get paid $205 per video, which is actually quite insane. So I'm going to show you another, let's check on TikTok. Here you can see relationship facts, love facts, relationship facts, and it gets a lot of views. This one's got almost 1 million views, this one's got over 1 million views. And yeah, so basically what we're going to do, first of all, obviously create a YouTube channel. I'll show you how you can create your logo and everything in a bit. But yeah, create a YouTube channel, call it relationship facts or fun facts or life facts, or anything like that, whatever you decide. I'm not going to tell you how to name your channel. And then to get started, we go to Google, we type relationship facts, you see? Let's look at this thing, 35 facts about love, okay? Let's open that up. Okay, so here's a few facts. Let's take the first one and we copy it. Now you go over to a website called Pexels and you type in drone footage. Okay, so basically, let me just explain. Pexels is a royalty-free website where you can use any video, any photo absolutely for free. So you'll see all these stuff on YouTube about the facts. It's all drone footage from Pexels or from a royalty-free website. So basically what you're going to do is come over to Pexels, type drone footage, make sure it's selected video and the orientation is vertical. Okay, so I like this one. Let's download this one. You just download it. You can say thank you if you want to, but it's not needed. Now you come over to a website called Canva. So Canva is a free designing, well, it's not free, it's got a free trial and everything, and you can use some of the stuff for free, but I've got a special discount for you. I think it's 30 days free trial down below if you want to use it, but if you want to stick to the free version, that's also fine. I'm pretty sure it will help, but not if you want to create your logos and everything. But anyway, you come here, you type in Reels, Instagram reel. I know it's not a reel, but that's just what it's called here. You create a blank one, then you click on upload and you upload the video. There you go, I just uploaded it, and you simply drag the video in. Okay, easy. You can keep the sound, you can take it out, it's your choice. I'm just gonna speed this up a bit, gonna show you how it looks when you're done. So basically I just copied the relationship facts and everything. You just call it relationship facts part 1. You download it, simple as that. And so basically this took us what, 4 or 5 minutes to create one of these things. Now those people upload twice a day, but obviously if you want to be successful you have to beat them, hustle harder. So my suggestion is wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning, drink your coffee, take a shower, and start with this. If you create 5 videos a day and schedule it for the entire day, you already got more videos per day than these people have, which means more viewers, which means more followers, more subscribers. And as soon as you get 4,000 watch hours, which comes easily, trust me, on our ITN channel, it took us, I think, a week to obtain. So then you get monetized. And this is a nice niche. This is a nice topic, because, you know, you just, how can I put it? If you keep working on this and you keep building this channel, eventually you'll have like a side income of $2,000-3,000 a month extra. So it's a nice topic, and I really suggest you do this. Yeah, let me actually show you. I said I'll show you, so let me show you this. So once again, when you come to Canva and you type YouTube, I'm actually going to show you something really cool. Let's say YouTube banners. Here you can create any banner, background banner for your YouTube channel. Here you can create logo, YouTube logo, any logo. So before you start your YouTube channel, head over to Canva. Then also you can also upload all these stuff on TikTok. I can actually show you, like, this person will most definitely have a link in the bio linking to a YouTube channel, or let's see, obviously the one person I want to show you doesn't have it, but yeah, they usually have like a link that takes them, look, there's a link tree, and it takes you to but anyways, so here's a few nice. So basically what this guy's doing, and that's actually so smart, he went to ClickBank. It's an affiliate. We've got a video on this, on affiliate marketing, but anyway, he went to a ClickBank and got a few products, and basically he just sells the products. Obviously he's got a YouTube channel as well, he's got print on demand, but look at the link here at the top. As soon as I click it, you'll see ClickBank. Oh, he's actually smarter than us. So basically he created an entire landing page, but I'll get into that soon. But yeah, this is quite smart, because this is all ClickBank products, and as soon as he gets views, instead of just getting views from YouTube, getting paid from YouTube, he's also selling people's products through affiliate marketing. So he basically doubles his income, and you can also do it. I highly suggest you do it. And yeah, if you want to grow faster on YouTube, remember to use something like TubeBuddy. I'm not affiliated with TubeBuddy. I am affiliated with vidIQ, and I highly suggest it, but TubeBuddy is also good. TubeBuddy is the cheaper one. It's not that great, but it works at the beginning. And then vidIQ, I've got a, I think, 30-day free trial. I'm not even sure. Link down below for you guys. So give it a try. And yeah, this is another easy way you can make money. Just remember one thing. If you ever, whenever you are doing something like this online, actually whenever you're doing anything online, you have to make sure that you have to make sure you've got internet security. So that's why I'm gonna also give you a 63% discount on NordVPN. I'm actually using Nord as we are speaking, even though I'm just recording. So yeah, that's also down below. And oh, before I forget, one last thing. We are doing in-depth courses on affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing. We are currently in the recording stage, and we are currently in the development stage of our website. But for the beginning, it's going to be limited to, I think, 25 people, because it's going to be one-on-one training and everything. So if you're interested, just drop a I'm in or whatever, and I'll add you to the Discord so we can book your spot. And yeah, guys, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Cheers.